Listen, there was a ton of money to be made if you were a minority Trump supporter and like really decided to go 100% in it, because it allowed this narrative that how can Trump and his followers be racist? I'm black, or I'm Hispanic, or I'm, whatever. And there it was, I think, aside from this insane duo here, what were their names? Like, I don't remember. I'm sure it'll say here in a second, but Candace Owens is another one. Like, if you go back and look at Candace Owens, like 4 years ago, she was not this conservative, insane person. She was somebody who I think, I can't remember the whole story, but she definitely saw the money and co-opted her, her ideology was co-opted by dollar signs. And these ladies here, there was also the Hodge twins, if you remember. What is it, the Hodge twins? They're like two black dudes with like super blue eyes. They used to have like a weightlifting channel. They used to just talk about like girls on like, I think it was Vine, and then like YouTube and Instagram, and then they became these like massive Trump MAGA guys. And so there was a lot of money to be made. You would get in front of crowds like this, your speaking fees, all that stuff, and I'm sure it was worth it.
Manipulate, fabricate, or instigate. Are we all on the Trump train? Now when I say all aboard, you say choo-choo. All aboard! All aboard! All aboard!
Oh, dude.
I love you from the bottom of my heart. And November the 3rd,
you can tell Trump just does not like this. He is
also,
you
all,
so
we still have a patriot out there fighting for our freedoms.
Yes.
Fighting against the irregularities that happened in the 2020 election. Okay.
Yes.
So,
sorry.
Go ahead. What you do, girl?
No, I didn't do anything. We're good.
Okay. So what I want you, don't make it so big.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Don't make our faces so huge like that.
I got it. I got
it. Yeah.
Yo.
All right, y'all.
Insane.
I'm about ready to unbox Diamond and Silk. Y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready? Here we go. All right.
I'm terrified to know where this is going.
Oh, man. Oh, not cool. Not cool. Not cool. That's not cool. My head is cut off. Where's her head?
Because unlike
I mean, that is par for the course.
Previous things I've
Why would you buy that?
done that were game changing.
Who it is?
Those were just time-space continuum reflections of the third big change I was going to be involved in. And that was bringing Donald John Trump into Austin. So I said it again. I said Austin into office.